Hey, this is Chintua, your happiness specialist, coming to you with a video today. I hope this video is really short, but as I was driving home from work, and I was thinking, wow, what an opportunity to use what's going on, to use the weather. By the way, I'm speaking to you from Florida. Florida has the most unique weather, because right now it is raining, and it is 7:28 p.m. Usually, if it was any earlier, say 3-4 hours earlier, you would have this spur of rainfall, and then suddenly you'll have this bright, beautiful sunshine. Now, I'm going to share something with you. My wife loves the rain. She sees it as a source of life for plants, and she just loves any time that it rains. So the reason I'm doing this video and I'm talking about Florida, Florida is a beautiful state, and we moved down here just about 3 years ago. But I'm not talking about Florida, even though it could be. But I wanted to associate the weather in Florida with your business. Right now, if you're looking to join something, you may have seen a business opportunity, or you may be in one, be it a home business or affiliate marketing business. You're looking at something and you decided to jump in because what you see is attractive to you. Here's what I want you to take away from this video. Look at your business as Florida weather. Say you got started and everything is all roses and you're running, with the business and you're making a ton of money. You're enjoying the fruit of your labor. The cash is flowing in. You're helping a whole bunch of people. Other people are winning on your team. Things are happening. And then all of a sudden, you get a turn where everything kind of slows down. It's like people stop joining. People, people stop coming to your website to see what you're doing. To most people, that would be a source of dismay and disappointment, and you start questioning yourself and saying, hey, did I join the right opportunity? What happened to the cash flow? What happened to my cash flow? What happened to my team's cash flow? Here's how I want you to look at it. Look at that period of time when not a whole lot is happening. Look at it as the Florida weather. Look at it as an opportunity to rebuild, to re-engage, to start or restart doing what you initially did to attract those teammates, to attract those customers, to attract those buyers who, had you in a place of, glory, where things are, where things were going like gangbusters. Look at it that way, because even if things are not working the way you believe they should be, take it as a rebuilding period, as a time to re-energize yourself, your teammates, your business. All right, so I wanted to share that with you. So if you are looking to join an opportunity, you're looking to join something cool, legit, hey, my friends and I are in a group where we have this amazing synergy going. This Freedom Launchpad, we call it. And if you're looking to join a team like that, even if you have something going on right now, or you're just curious because you're seeing this video, hit me up. Send me a private message. Hey, ask me, hey, Chin, what is it that you're doing? I want to join your team. I want to, experience that synergy that your team has. All right? Feel free. Or you can also go to www.14kwithchin.com. 14kwithchin.com. That's 14kwithchin.com. All right, appreciate you watching. Hopefully this video reignited something special in you. All right, so I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye for now.